Hello everyone, I'm back again with another how-to video. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how to create custom GPT using ChatGPT. Creating and using custom GPTs mean that as a user, you can tailor specific tasks by combining instructions, knowledge, and capabilities. Go to chat.openai.com and click on GPTs on the sidebar. Here, you'll find GPTs created by others, including presets by OpenAI. You may find GPTs similar to what you want, but creating one means you can tailor it specifically to your needs. So instead, click Create. You have two options, Configure and Create. The Create tab is beginner-friendly. You can message the GPT builder to help you build a new GPT. You can say something like, make a software engineer who helps format my code. The Configure tab is the more advanced option, where you will have full manual control. The more precise your input, the better the output. Here, you name your GPT, write a clear description of what it does, how it should behave, and what it should avoid doing. Give your GPT clear guidance so it performs well. Next, add conversation starters. These are examples of prompts for the user to start the conversation. After that, head to the knowledge section. Here, you can upload files that provide additional context for your GPT to reference and possibly include in its output. Below is the capabilities section. I recommend keeping everything on by default. You can adjust these anytime later. There's also an action section meant for developers to make third-party APIs available to your GPT by providing details about the endpoints, parameters, and a description about how the model should use it. You can also decide to give your GPT some visual identity. Click Save at the top right corner. Choose the privacy level. Only Me is for private, anyone with the link is for semi-public use, and public to add it to the GPT store when it becomes available. And that's it. You've created your own GPT. You can now use it by clicking on it and prompting it. If you followed along, you'd have been able to create your own custom GPT. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.